Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up float actions automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app, and click on install. Right here, click on allow and install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Yeah, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on the Team Settings icon. Click on Team Settings. Click on Integrations. Scroll down and search for API key. Once you're here, copy your API key and head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup and paste your API key. Click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. Right here, we equally have the support center. At the Law Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We equally have the changelog. At the changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you install and set up Float app with ease. If you encounter any issues, our support team is available 24/7. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.